Hi everybody, welcome to week 10 of first grade. I hope you had a great fall break and you feel rested and ready to get back to school. Okay, this week in math, we are working on understanding teen numbers. And you may have noticed that we've skipped ahead a little bit in our chapters, and that was because, well, first of all, Miss Cindy and I don't like the order that the book teaches, but also because we've noticed that a lot of our kids don't know what their teen numbers look like. So we thought that this might help them understand what their teen numbers look like and why it's a teen number. So the purpose of this chapter is to teach the kids a couple things. First of all, that a teen number is 10 plus more numbers. Like 14 is 10 plus 4 more. So a good way to look at that is hold up 10 fingers. Okay, 14 is this many plus this many more. They'll be using 10 frames for that. 10 frames look like this. They'll be using 10 frames for that, where they'll be filling up one whole 10 frame because there are 10 spots, and then filling up 4 more if the number were 14. Things like that. We can also use the cubes. Use anything that you have at home, but those are the things that we will be using in class. Another thing that the kids need to realize this week is that a teen number always starts with a 1. It doesn't start with, like 14 does not start with a 4 just because it sounds like it maybe it should. 14, a teen number always starts with a 1, and that's how we identify it as a teen number, is that it starts with a 1. So that is a big thing that I want to get into their brains this week, is that first of all, a teen number is 10 plus so many more, all the way up to 19. So 11 through 19, those are our teen numbers. Even though 11 and 12 don't say teen in them, they are considered teen numbers. So it's 10 plus another number, and that all the teen numbers start with 1. So any number bigger than 10 that starts with 1 is a teen number. Those are the two concepts that we really want to drive home this week. So anything that you can do to support your child in learning that is great. Count. Make sure you're counting at home. Count every day with your kids. Push them to go further. If they got to 12 yesterday, push them to get further. They should be counting to 120 by the end of the school year. So if they're not there already, and if they're not close to being there, we really need to be pushing that. Count with your kids every single day. Other than that, I think that's it. I mean, really, if you're having trouble at home with teen numbers, please let us know, and Miss Cindy and I are more than happy to help. But we just really want to drive those two concepts home this week and make sure that our kids understand their teen numbers going forward, because we will be adding and subtracting up into the teen numbers up through 20 in the very near future. And so we really want them to understand those teen numbers, and not just understand them, but know what they look like. Know that 15 is 10 plus 5 more. We really want them to understand those concepts. Okay, so that's all that I have for you this week. I hope that you have a good week and work hard, stay amazing, and we will see you soon. Thanks.